I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all. Good morning, peers.
Attention all 8th graders attending the Philadelphia trip. Please turn in your green health and data sheet to Mr. Buehner in room 9E ASAP.
The 2022 track team end of the year celebration picnic is May 25th. Please see Coach Watkins, Droughns, or Scott if you have any questions.
We plan to collect Chromebooks during the last week of the school year. Make sure you have your Chromebook case and charger. Charger replacements are $20 and Chromebook replacements are $200.
There are fees for messed up Chromebooks, $50 for screen, $75 for keys and other parts broken. Treat your Chromebook right.
Students can receive a new ID for $5 in the media center.
This message is for any student attending the Philadelphia trip. You must have a negative COVID test taken within 72 hours prior to departure on the trip. So it has to be 3 days or less before you go on the trip. You got to take and have a negative COVID test. Do not forget to get this done or you will not be able to go on the trip, okay? The test can be an at-home rapid test, by the way. You don't have to go get one done at a clinic or anything like that. It can be a rapid test.
The observations of Memorial Day, there will be no school on Monday on May 30th.
Remember 8th graders, students who have engaged in any misconduct or unsafe behavior prior to the Cedar Point trip will be given for the money you paid. Keep that in mind for these next few weeks. Today for Mental Health Monday, we want to tell you about coping skills. Coping skills are things that we can do in the moment when we are feeling lousy to help us learn to turn down our strong feelings and not become overwhelmed. Coping skills help us get through stressful situations with a little more ease without doing something we'd regret later on. 2 categories of coping skills include distraction and relaxation. Distraction means that you can do something to take your mind off your feelings. Examples include playing a game, listening to music, exercising, cooking food, playing with a pet, hanging with friends, taking a nap, reading a book, writing in a journal, or talking to someone about how you feel.
Another type of coping skills includes relaxation skills. These are safe and healthy things we can do to calm down and help us feel better in our bodies and minds. Examples of relaxation includes deep breathing, doing yoga, meditating, thinking about something fun or happy, taking a bath or a shower, stretching your muscles, or eating or drinking your favorite thing. Start paying attention to what helps you feel better when you're upset or uncomfortable. Make a list of safe and healthy things you can do whenever you need to manage your stress. Pick one of these before you get upset to know what you're finna do before you do it. You can also make an appointment with your counselor or social worker to discuss even more types of coping skills. See you next week on Mental Health Monday.